This video will show you some extra tips for your gradebook. None of these steps are absolutely required, and if you don't care to use them, it's totally fine. But please watch this to see what the capabilities are before making your decision. First, we're going to click on the assignments page that I recommended you hide earlier. Once on this page, we're going to create assignment groups. Just click on +sign group, give it a name, and click Save. Repeat this for however many assignment groups you have. And then drag assignments into the right group. There are two reasons I like to use assignment groups. The first is that in the gradebook, it will tell you how a student is doing in each group, and that helps identify problem areas. The other is that a lot of you use percentage weights with categories, and that's really easy to do in Canvas. Since we have the groups created, just click on the options wheel in the top right and select Assignment Group Weights. You'll need to make sure this checkbox is selected, and then type your percentages into these boxes. Click Save when finished. Now let's look at the gradebook itself. Click on Grades. Now, I only have 3 students in my gradebook. 2 of them are 2 of my test students, and 1 is Lisa from the help desk. You will see your full class roster. You can see that each graded activity is given a column. I will warn you that graded activities only show up in the gradebook if they are published. With an online class, your quizzes will likely be graded automatically. Your discussions and essays will likely be graded in the speed grader. But if you do need to manually change a grade within the gradebook, you can double-click into a cell and type the appropriate grade. Now, if we scroll to the right, we can see our category averages are here. And you can see that the total was calculated based on the weights that we gave to each category. So you can see that 33% of the grade is assignments. If I increase this assignment to a 10 instead of a 6, you'll see the total change as well. If assignments were weighted more than 33% and the others were weighted less, that would have impacted the grade a whole lot more. Canvas does all of that math for you, and I assure you I have checked it and it does end up right. One thing that's interesting about this and really plays well with a lot of the things that we do at Wilson is I see a lot of classes at Wilson where an undergraduate section and a graduate section will be combined into one course. And the graduate section may have an extra research paper that the undergraduates do not have. As long as you keep this option, treat ungraded as 0, as long as you don't use that, then you can have that extra assignment listed here, and only the graduates have a grade for it, and Canvas will still do the math and everything works out great. Please let me know if you have any questions about that. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please watch our other videos. If you're watching this as part of a playlist, please make sure to continue on to the rest of the playlist videos. Please also remember that there is a training course available at my.wilson.edu/canvas.